So my name's Rob. I'm in Siem Reap, Cambodia, which is a country between Vietnam and Thailand. It's really hot here, lovely weather, lovely people, everyone's really, really friendly and just a great, great place to live. So I'm the technical director at Apulus, I came up with the idea for LiveBlox, and what I want to do is I want to bring this to the world and allow people the opportunity to expand their creativity. LiveBlox allows you to build a lot of different types of apps. Obviously the most natural one people have seen so far is things involving the camera. Where you can detect objects and have actions occur based on input from the camera. An idea we thought of the other day, which I quite liked, was you point it at a window or a door, and it detects if someone's walking past, and then makes like a dog noise, and also takes a photo and then keeps the time on that, so you know if someone's walking past, it can scare them off, and also it can allow you to see who's there, like security. But that's just a little idea I had the other day. We're going to put a new app out today, and that's going to be on Windows, Linux Ubuntu 16.04, and also on a Mac. We've got it running on a Mac now. So here we go, running on the Mac. And so that's going to be out, and then ultimately, once we've got some time to invest extra developers on this, we're going to make it so the apps that you build can also be exported and run on Android phones and also on iPhones and tablets and anything really. So you'll be able to write it once and then just deploy it on all different platforms. I'd say the first step you want to do is just familiarize yourself with how LiveBlox works. Okay. So you want to test different blocks, see what they can do, and come up with ideas with that. If you've got an idea about something you actually want to build, then so you need to identify which parts you need to build that. You need to connect them up, and you normally start off with like a small part of a system, and then you build it up until you get what you want. And then once you've got the actual functionality of the app working on the main LiveBlox editor, then you can click on the GUI Builder tab. And that will allow you to actually build the user interface for your app, so that when you export it, the user can see that. So the steps are: drop the blocks in that you need, connect them up in the way that you want to connect them up, configure the settings on them, and then you need to build the user interface on the GUI Builder. So if you've already got a lot of coding experience, LiveBlox is actually a pretty good tool for you. I mean, that's why I originally developed it myself. A lot of people are saying, well, they're worried this might put developers out of work, and I think that's just totally not the case. LiveBlox allows you to actually script from inside using Python, but the blocks are written in C++, so you get the performance of C++ and the usability of LiveBlox, but the freedom of Python, so you can do anything you want in there as well. Everyone should be able to experience the thrill of building an application or building, having their idea come to life. And I think coding is a boundary for people that there's a kind of like a stigma to it, and people think, oh, coding, it's so difficult, it's only for experts. And in a way, it is difficult because there is a bit of a learning curve to it. So LiveBlox, you can overcome that, and then perhaps even after you've used LiveBlox, you maybe want to start coding inside LiveBlox, and then it's a great platform to learn how to code as well. There's other plug and play things out there, but really they're just about drop the box here, do that. It doesn't have the power and the flexibility that LiveBlox has. LiveBlox allows you to really kind of create any idea that you want. At the moment within the kind of video and audio and computer vision area, but it will expand out to be able to make all kinds of different apps, and its functional kind of programming method is very new. The media market is one that first comes to mind because we can see it as being used as a tool for anyone who's kind of working with video or audio or anything like that, where it's you know, they maybe want a software platform that allows them to build the flexibility into their system. Another market we think is great is the education market, because as we were saying before, it's very, very easy to play with LiveBlox, and it will give children and adults a chance to really get a feel for what it's like to code and build systems and ideas without the actual coding itself. You know, I think it's a really great tool for learning and understanding some of the jargon, but in a simple way, just by playing. You know. So what I'd really like you to do is to download a copy of LiveBlox, install it on your computer and have a play and see how it goes. We've got some tutorials on our website, and we're going to have more coming out soon. I'm going to build some more tutorials to work with the demo version, because obviously it's not as fully featured as the full version. But yeah, I really just want people to have a play, enjoy, try to understand what it's about, and yeah, just get creative.